Blay pi barang impian sobhai pi shikani top kubor mta kajan mit shwaban pha je kubor in ya pet ya kimat ki bakong san. Yad bet yang nanti kajimpen kre ya ki jingnyo bot na ka benta ki san spa so pa art li ki shuki shakaluk sabha ban na ka benta ki shuki shiki yang dor bar thau an yang saw li ki jalla. La ban slim ka jing pna ya result jang ki after ki shuki am khalya na ka daw ka jingnyo lang ya palat lai spa li ki VVPAT hadian balayo hukum na Supreme Court. Yasoy ka Assam Rifle bak Indian Coast Guard ya ka Charter of Affiliation kanang manla ang penangkam lang ya ka jingtan jing am ka headquarter ka DGAR Halatkor. Bar rengkat berbarok kuwe ke perthai rakhi ka Meghalaya ya ka International Day for Biological Diversity ha ususotham auditorium. Ki khubor ki bamnya kajing penbet na jing penbiang na benta kajing nyaw ya ki vote sa kalok sabha pat sa ki sautali ki yang dorbar thau an jong jalla Andhra Pradesh Odisha Sikkim bat Arunachal Pradesh ka banlong la shai kasngi las kajing stang nyaw ya ki vote kan long prabaje menstep bat langit ya ki rai an sa pentip adu janmit an sedang menyaw shwai ke electronically transmitted postal ballot system but postal ballot kat kum kajing tha jong Supreme Court ki nong nyaw kin shim santali ki EVM jong yang dor bar thau an but in sapanya sriem yak ki bat ki VVPAT slip Chief Electoral Officer jong jalla Meghalaya uba Frederick ar kharkongor la ajeng tip ba an penjalan ya kajing penbena ya karaj jong Shillong bat ketura parliamentary constituency namar bahab anyo palat lai spatlik VVPAT machine haba ya keren bat kilat pathai kubor ba kharkongor ul angru ba kajing penjalan kan long palat saw kanta AA kat kum kajing tha na yang bishar ba kli do kri an chim bat khenchwa ya santlik VVPAT slip haki santli ki jaka thep vote jang constituency haki hinru phatli ki constituency andan kumbalai spatli ki VVPAT machine an khenru ya ki VVPAT machine jang ki neutli ki jaka thep vote ki ban shim ki bam shim la sha lala ban penlong ya ki jing pen khrea hashwa jang jing thep vote.
This time the results will be delayed because we are counting more than 300 VVPAT machines from almost 300 polling stations plus the 7, approximately 307. So the counting of each VVPAT is a very meticulous and time-consuming affair because you're counting slips of paper. So it will take, each machine will take to at least about 45 to 50 minutes. So and 300 of them counting extra. So that will take time. Apart from that, we have to count postal ballots also and also ETBBS. So machine counting itself doesn't take time, but it's these other aspects that will take time.
Assam Rifles but Indian Coast Guard benta kasngi klesoi ke Charter of Affiliation kaban pendan kami ke jing start ha kaliang ke jing trekam jing yelek kai bat kiwe Director General Lieutenant General Sukdeep Sangwan jong ke Assam Rifle but Director General jongka Indian Coast Guard Rajendra Singh kilawan bani shim mentah ha kani ke jing yasoi ke balong ha ke headquarter DGAR la penlong ya kani ke jing pen yaso ha preng ke 3rd Naga Hills Battalion jong ke Assam Rifle bat ke jahat jong ke Indian Coast Guard ke Shaurya laong Director General ke Assam Rifles Usangwan hadin meladap ya kani ke jing yasoi ha preng kini ki tenat shipai shushu la benrap ru ba kani kan sawan ra ya ke jing suthu jing mot bat ban kampen klan ya ke jing trekam ha preng kini ki kinhon.
Stop. Ready, stop.
All right, ready.
Let me first put on record that the historical affiliation of Indian Coast Guard with Assam Rifles, a service which holds legacy spanning almost 2 centuries, is matter of proud for us.
So this is the affiliation ceremony between Assam Rifles, which which is the oldest paramilitary force, and the Coast Guard, which is the youngest military force. And both these forces are actually the border guarding forces. We decided why not to affiliate and learn from each other.
Dah kajing temu benpen sapreng ya kajing bam temat ba ya kot kya kajong yi kashanya ha kajing thau ki ba im ki ba don ha ka maryang ka mekalaya ru rengkat bat barok ko ka perthai kala rekhe ya ka International Day for Biological Diversity ha ususo tham auditorium ka phang pading jong ne snam kalong our biodiversity, our food, our health. Menteri badai pek ya ki klau ki tap ula kemen romboi ula ai kajing kren ha kan kasni da ka ba ong madan kam ban tengkai bat penne ya ka maryang ula ong ru babar ki jing thau ki badan ki jing im ki dan la ka jong kam ram bat ki badan kam iwe na ka banta ka lawai.
What is the importance of this wealth of our state? How to conserve it so that our future, the future generation will benefit. The importance of biodiversity for our own existence. So we have to ponder, we have to think that what we can do and how to do to preserve this biodiversity.
Hajalla Jammu bat Kashmir arnut kila kelan yap hadian gajing therkuli bamar keliang bat ki sipai ya dari kathan Gopalpara ki badan Hakulgam district ne kasni gajing therkuli bamar keliang kalaja hadian bagi sipai harangkat gajing snok tilang jong ki pulet ke Jammu bat Kashmir kila penlang gajing kenra bat ker saudang hadian bagi layok jing tip gajing don jong kila no ha kate ke jaka. Mentapat ngini pe ya kajing long jing man jong sun neng kajing shit jing kriat ke sun neng halong kalong 8.0 degree Celsius men step at kan 0.0 degree Celsius jan mit kajing skem ka haw kalong nyop po ar na kaji spa men step at proposal na kaji spa men mit kajing hap slap kalong 0.kendai milimeter lakmi lenti ba ka sun neng kandum lo halong ba ki jaka ba marjan. Shuaban poy ha ka bakut jong thup khubor ngini pet biang sai sien ya kimat ki pukong san. Ya bet ya enti ke jong pengkre ya ke jong nyom vote na ka banta ki sanspa sau po atli ki shuki shakalok sabha bat na ka banta ki shuki shak yeng dor bat thau an jong sau le ki jella. La ban slam ki jong pruna ya ke result jong ki atli ki shuki ha mekalaya na ka daw ka jong nyaulang ya ki palat lai spak teliki VVPAT hadin layok hukum na ke Supreme Court. Jasoi ke Assam Rifle bagi Indian Coast Guard ya ke Charter of Affiliation nang bala ban penenkam lang ya ke jingdan jing M ke headquarter ke DGAR halat kor. Bat harengkat bat barok kowe ke perthai rakhe ke Meghalaya ke International Day for Biological Diversity ha ususu tham auditorium. Ti perlok katung la poy ke bakut jang ni thup khobor jang ni menta ke janmit hadu bangine syam bayang bat phila shai ke sni kblei phi barok.